back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials with my dog Jack. This is Jack. He is in all of my videos and we upload every single week together. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a pair of shorts. And these shorts did not turn out exactly the way I wanted them to, but they worked out in the end, so I will show you guys what I did. Sometimes, you know, you make mistakes, and I just want to be honest with you guys. I want to be upfront, and I am not a perfect seamstress at all. I make mistakes all of the time, and I probably don't do things by the book like I should. So I personally, this is just the way that I sew, and I am just teaching what I know. I am self-taught. I'm just learning as I'm going, and I just want to show you guys what I know, and I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this project, I got about a yard of material, and I'm going to be using a pair of my biker shorts as a guide. Now what you're going to do is just put your fabric right sides together and take your shorts, fold them in half, and just cut where the shorts are. And make sure you leave plenty of space for seam allowance. Now what I'm doing is I'm just placing the piece that I just cut out on top of some more fabric so I can cut out another piece for my shorts, and I'm just going to cut the exact same way. These are what your pieces should look like right now. So now what we're going to do is just pin down the sides of the shorts and then right below the crotch. So you'll just pin those together and then sew it. Make sure that you are using zigzag stitching so that way you can allow room for stretch in your shorts. Now your garment should look like this, and what you're going to do is just pin the crotch area together. So this is what it should look like right now when it is pinned, and then you will just sew it. Now your shorts should look like this, and what we're going to do now is just put the elastic in. So you will just take your elastic after measuring how wide you need it to be, just fold down the fabric, make sure it's wide enough to put your elastic in, and then just pin all the way around. After you pin that, let's just go ahead and hem the bottom of the shorts. So you're just going to fold it once and then fold it again and just pin it down and then sew it. Make sure you leave a little bit of an open space so that way you can put your elastic in, so just go ahead and push that through. Now what I'm doing is just taking my elastic pieces and I'm just placing them on top of each other, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew over those. Make sure after you sew the elastic together that you go back and sew where you left the open space to put your elastic in. Now it's time to go ahead and hem your shorts. So go ahead and just sew where you pinned it earlier. So I'm done with my shorts, but they did not turn out the way that they were supposed to. They're way too short and the crotch area does not look correct. So I'm going to go back and add a waistband to these shorts to make them look better, because right now they just do not fit me correctly. So now that I've got my waistband attached, I am just going to go ahead and pin it together. But before I do that, I am going to pin the ends of it. and we're going to go ahead and sew that first. Now that the ends are sewn together, we can go ahead and just move on with the waistband and attaching it to the shorts. So where you pinned it, you're just going to go ahead and sew it together. So now that we've got that sewn together, we're basically just going to repeat the same steps that I just showed you with the waistband. So you'll just take your elastic, put it down, and then fold it so that way you have enough room to put it through, and just repeat those steps that I just showed you. Yay, we're finally done. I think these turned out pretty awesome. They're very high-waisted shorts, which is kind of what I wanted anyways. But I'm very pleased with them. And they are pretty long to be shorts, but they are biker shorts, so I'm happy with them, and they're super comfortable. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.